Today, I'm going to challenge your vocabulary. If you know these 20 words, then your English is really outstanding. So, I have a challenge for you. If you know all 20 words, then your English vocabulary is better than 90% of the people in the world. Do you think you are in the top 10%? Let's find out. Here is how it works. I will show you a word. I will show you three possible meanings, and then I will give you 3 seconds to answer the question. Your job is to pick the correct one. We will start with easy words, then the words which are a bit difficult, and then the most advanced words. So let's begin with easy words. Word number one, ambiguous. Ambiguous. Does it mean very clear, having more than one meaning, or extremely loud? The correct answer is B. If something is ambiguous, it is not clear. It can be understood in more than one ways. For example, her answer was ambiguous. Nobody really knew what she really meant. The movie's ending was ambiguous, leaving the audience guessing. Word number two, resilient. Resilient. Does it mean always lazy, able to recover quickly, easily broken? The correct answer is B. A resilient person can bounce back from challenges and keep going. She is a resilient student who never gives up. My friend is remarkably resilient in difficult times. Word number three, obsolete. Obsolete. Does it mean modern and new, no longer used or outdated, very rare? The correct answer is B. Something obsolete is old-fashioned and has been replaced by newer things. For example, CDs are nearly obsolete because of streaming applications. Typewriters became obsolete after computers arrived. Word number four, impeccable. Impeccable. Does it mean perfect, acceptable, or lazy? The correct answer is A. Something impeccable is flawless or without mistakes. For example, her English pronunciation is impeccable. The hotel staff provided impeccable service. Word number five, skeptical. Skeptical. Does it mean trusting everything easily, doubting or not easily convinced, very excited? The correct answer is B. A skeptical person doesn't believe things immediately or without proof. He was skeptical about the new diet trend. It's good to stay skeptical before verifying the facts. Word number six, indispensable. Does it mean not needed, extremely necessary, too expensive? If you said B, you are right. Something indispensable is so important that you can't do without it. Water is indispensable for life. Her role in the project was indispensable. Now we have reached level 2. Level 2 words are moderately difficult. Before moving to level 2, I would like to introduce you to Sparky. That's an AI application which makes English so much fun and exciting. It gives you instant feedback for every dialogue of yours. It has ready-made English lesson plans which are interactive and so much fun. Let's see how it can make you super fluent in English.
Hello. Today we will learn to introduce ourselves. Tell me one thing that you would like others to know about you.
I am 5 years working experience. I have a BSc degree.
Great effort. You shared good information. Try saying, I have 5 years of work experience and a BSc degree. What do you enjoy most about your job?
Let's start with word number 7. Conspicuous. Conspicuous. Does it mean easy to notice, hidden, or boring? The correct answer is A. Something conspicuous stands out or attracts attention easily. For example, the red umbrella made her conspicuous in the crowd. Her absence was conspicuous during the meeting. Word number 8. Tedious. Tedious. Does it mean very boring or repetitive, super exciting, or quick and easy? The correct answer is A. If something is tedious, it feels boring, monotonous, and never ending. For example, doing laundry every Sunday can be tedious. The lecture was so tedious that I fell asleep. Word number 9, voracious. Voracious. Does it mean very hungry or eager, extremely lazy, or hard to please? The correct answer is A. A voracious person has a huge appetite for learning or food. For example, she is a voracious reader who finishes one book every single day. Teenagers often have voracious hunger. Word number 10, gregarious. Gregarious. Does it mean loves being alone, very talkative and social, always serious? The correct answer is B. A gregarious person loves being around people. She is gregarious and makes friends wherever she goes. Gregarious animals live in groups rather than alone. Word number 11, benevolent. Benevolent. Does it mean dangerous, kind and generous, or very strict and rude? The correct answer is B. A benevolent person genuinely wants to do good and help others. The benevolent teacher supported the poor students. She is known for her benevolent smile. Word number 12, perplexed. Perplexed. Does it mean confused, angry, or satisfied? The correct answer is A. When you are perplexed, you are puzzled or unsure what to do. For example, she looked perplexed after seeing the question paper. His sudden decision left everyone perplexed. Now, we come to level 3, the most advanced words. So we have come to word number 13, vigilant. Vigilant. Does it mean sleepy, careful and alert, or scared? If you said B, you are right. A vigilant person pays close attention to danger or possible problems. For example, security guards must stay vigilant at night. The mother stayed vigilant while her son played near the road. Word number 14, adept. Adept. Don't confuse this word with adapt. That's a different word. Does it mean very skilled, very careless, or very shy? The correct answer is A. An adept person is talented and quick at doing something. For example, she is adept at painting realistic portraits. He became adept at handling customer complaints very politely. Word number 15, elusive. Elusive. Does it mean difficult to find or understand? Very simple, very common. The correct answer is A. If something is elusive, it's very tricky to catch, understand, or achieve it. For example, the meaning of happiness is elusive for many people. The thief was elusive and escaped capture. Word number 16, scrupulous. Scrupulous. Does it mean detailed and honest, fast and careless, extremely weak? You are right if your answer is A. A scrupulous person pays attention to every detail and does what's right. For example, the editor was scrupulous about correcting every error. He is known for being scrupulous in all his work. Word number 17, pragmatic. Pragmatic. Does it mean too emotional, practical and realistic, easily confused? The correct answer is B. A pragmatic person always focuses on workable and real-world solutions which are practical. For example, he is known for taking a pragmatic approach to problems. Word number 18, flamboyant. Flamboyant. Does it mean very showy and attention-grabbing, shy and quiet, or always serious? The correct answer is A. Flamboyant means colorful and bold in appearance or behavior. For example, the actor wore flamboyant clothes that dazzled everyone. His flamboyant personality makes him unforgettable. Word number 19, insipid. Insipid. Does it mean lacking flavor or excitement? too spicy, or hard to chew? The correct answer is A. Something insipid is dull or tasteless, literally or emotionally. For example, the movie was insipid and predictable. The soup tasted insipid without salt. Word number 20. Now we have come to the last word. The last and final word is transitory. Transitory. Does it mean lasting a short time, permanent, or extremely bright? The correct answer is A. Transitory refers to something that doesn't last long. It's temporary. For example, fame is transitory. Values last longer. The storm was transitory and soon the sky cleared. Now, how many words did you get right? Let's see the results now. If you got 20 on 20, you are a vocabulary rock star. Kudos to you. Congratulations, you have done an amazing job. If you knew 16 to 19 words, excellent, you are nearly at advanced level. 11 to 15, strong vocabulary, keep building. 6 to 10, you are getting there. 1 to 5, good start, keep practicing. Comment your score below. I want to know how much you scored today, and I will definitely give you feedback on your scores. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up. Share this video with anyone who wants to level up his vocabulary, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you next time. Until then, keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.